गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। मैं डॉक्टर हरभजन कौर गवर्नमेंट डोंगर कॉलेज बीकानेर में कार्यरत हूँ और हम एमएससी के स्टूडेंट्स को बायोकेमिस्ट्री और फिजियोलॉजी की एक्सरसाइजेस करवाते हैं, जैसे यूरिया की इन सब एक्सरसाइजेस के लिए हम न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग करते हैं। जैसे यूरिया एस्टिमेशन के लिए और हीमोग्लोबिन एस्टिमेट करने के लिए स्पेक्ट्रोफोटोमीटर का यूज़ करते हैं। इसमें भी नई टेक्नोलॉजी का प्रयोग किया गया है। और प्रोटीन, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, एसिड फॉस्फेटेज, एल्कलाइन फॉस्फेटेज, ये हम इसमें रिएजेंट की किट के सेट आते हैं, उनका यूज़ करते हैं और फिर स्पेक्ट्रोफोटोमीटर पर इनकी रीडिंग ले लेते हैं। ESR के लिए ESR है, यहाँ इंस्ट्रूमेंट रखा हुआ है, इसका हम यूज़ करते हैं। और इनकी जो बेसिक टेक्निक्स हैं उनके बारे में मेरे साथ यहाँ डॉक्टर राजेंद्र पुरोहित सर हैं, जो हमारे जूलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट में हैं, वो इनकी बेसिक टेक्निक्स के बारे में आप बताएंगे।
Dear all, I am Dr. Rajendra Purohit. I am Associate Professor. As my colleague Dr. Harbhajan Kaur, she has mentioned that nowadays for the MSc practicals we are using spectrophotometry techniques. यहाँ मैं आपको कुछ खास चीज़ें बताना चाहूँगा। MSc के अंदर प्रैक्टिकल्स के अंदर बायोकेमिकल एंड फिजियोलॉजिकल राजकीय महाविद्यालयों में ऑटो एनालाइजर की फैसिलिटी नहीं होती है, लेकिन एटलीस्ट हर कीमत के स्पेक्ट्रोफोटोमीटर हमारे उपलब्ध हैं लेबोरेटरीज के अंदर। हर महाविद्यालय के अंदर हम विद्यार्थियों को उन्हीं से कराते हैं अपन। आज सबसे पहले मैं बताना चाहूँगा, एक एग्जाम्पल ले रहे हैं, जैसे मैडम ने बताया यूरिया का। यूरिया है या ग्लूकोज है, ये कुछ ऐसी एक्सरसाइज हैं जो कि हम फिजियोलॉजी में काम लेते हैं। जब भी कोई स्पेक्ट्रोफोटोमीटर टेक्निक काम लेते हैं, मैंने कई बार देखा है, जयपुर में हमारे पास रिसर्च कोर्स हुआ था, तो वहाँ के स्कॉलर लेक्चर्स करवाते रहते हैं कि भी ऐसे यूज करते हैं। हमें पता होना चाहिए, वैसे आप सभी को पता होगा कि कैसे यूज करते हैं, क्या इसका प्रिंसिपल्स हैं। बावजूद उसके मैं कुछ खास पॉइंट आज आप लोगों से यहाँ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। अगर अपन बात करें यूरिया एस्टिमेशन की, एग्जाम्पल लिया मैंने, आप देखें यहाँ ब्लैक बोर्ड के ऊपर मैंने ये मेंशन किया है टेबल्स के रूप में। फॉर एनी स्पेक्ट्रोफोटोमीटर टेक्निक आपको ब्लैंक, स्टैंडर्ड एंड टेस्ट, 3 आपको ट्यूब तैयार करनी होती है। हमको पता है कि हमें पता है, फिर मैं बताना चाहूँगा, मार्केट में सभी सैंपल से किट्स अवेलेबल हैं। आप यूरिया को आना चाहते हैं, देयर इज यूरिया किट। आप प्रोटीन को आना चाहते हैं, देयर इज प्रोटीन किट। चाहे आप ग्लाइकोजन को आना चाहते हैं, एसिड फॉस्फेटेज, एल्काइल फॉस्फेटेज एंड SGOT, SGPT, ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ किट्स आर अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट, सो यू कैन प्रोक्योर। और बहुत ही कम दरों पे मार्केट में उपलब्ध हैं स्पेक्ट्रोफोटोमीटर किट्स। या हमारे या डूंगर महाविद्यालय में जो बच्चों को आते हैं हम प्रैक्टिकल्स, आप देखिए फॉर एग्जांपल हम यूरिया की बात करें, यूरिया मे बी इन यूरिन सैंपल, यूरिया मे बी इन सीरम सैंपल। बेसिकली वी यूज ब्लड सीरम सैंपल्स, यू कैन प्रोक्योर ब्लड सीरम फॉर द हॉस्पिटल ऑल्सो, इवन वी कैन प्रोड्यूस serum in our department also. We have all facility here. What happens? Blank standard test. Blank, as name itself revealed, we put serum, urea standard, enzyme solution and chromosome solution. As all are here in case of, you can see the chromosome solution. Chromosome solution, it is meant for the color. Like when we prepare blank solution, we put only 2 ml of enzyme solution. Everything is mentioned on the, you can see urea diluent, you can see the again urea diluent and the chromosome solution, and all are, everything is mentioned here. Urea standard, then the urea enzyme, then the, you can see here the again urea enzyme and urea standard. Now first of all we are talking about the blank 2 ml of urea standard. Standard 2 ml, 2 ml in all the 3 tubes, blank, standard and test. What happens when you talk about the standard? You can see urea standard, we can keep such amount, that is 0.02 ml. That amount can be managed according to your need. In case of test, we put serum sample. Can you show the serum sample is here? It was here, serum sample. Yeah, this is the serum sample. Serum sample can be used. As I mentioned, in urine also we estimate the urea. Now, after mixing after making all the 3 tubes ready, mix and incubate for 3 minutes. You must mention 37 degrees centigrade पे ही आपको करना है. You can put the tubes in a beaker in an incubator. Now, incubator is very easily available. Dear faculty members, kindly listen carefully. In all government colleges, in all private colleges, we have a spectrophotometer. If we are not having, we must procure. We can ask our principal to provide the spectrophotometer to provide the incubator. Again, last we have to add in all the 3 tubes chromogen solution. As I mentioned you, the urea chromogen. Chromogen, as its name reveals, it produces the color. Then mix and incubate again for 5 minutes. Same temperature, again 5 minutes, then you will get the color. Now what happens? Show me the, in this way we prepare 3 tubes. One is the blank, other is the standard, and other is the test. 3 tubes can be made. Okay, you got my point. Now, as I mentioned, nowadays the auto analyzer and semi-auto techniques are also available. Though I have worked on all kinds of instruments, but this is basic facility, spectrophotometer, it is available in our department. We have all kinds of spectrophotometer in our government Dungarpur college. Now, what is the basic procedure? What is the basic theme? Suppose I have to take readings of standard and test. What should be done? First of all, you have to set the desired wavelength. For example, 578 is the wavelength for the urea. What I did, I mentioned here 578 wavelength. This is the knob making for the wavelength. Now, again, first of all, there are 2 kinds of knobs in case of all kinds of spectrophotometer. We can take the reading in percent transmission. We can take the reading in absorbance, that is AB. When I talk about the percent transmission, suppose I have this blank. When you have to set instrument on 0, what should be done? 0 means no rays are passing. I am doing like this. You can set, I have set here the set 0. 0% transmission is there. 0% means there is no transmission. First of all, by using blank solution, you have to adjust your instrument at 0 and 100. By using this black one, what I have done? I have mentioned, I have adjusted the instrument on the 0. Now, again, what I did? Students, my faculty members, I am sorry, again, it has become my practice. Always I call students, but you all are my faculty members. This is the cuvette. Sometimes I have seen in many colleges, there are 2 sides of the cuvette. One is the transparent and one is the something rubbish. So you have to keep in this way. So light rays should pass through this blank cuvette. I kept here, the cuvette is being kept here. As I have mentioned, what should be done? When we use the blank solution, you have to adjust the instrument on 100. Very nice, it is nicely coming at 100. Can you focus on the 100 here? 0 and 100, I have adjusted this equipment. Sometimes due to some light fluctuation, minor 0.1 plus minus, that can be tolerated, there is no problem. Now you give me the standard solution now. Standard. Keep this one. You love the blank one. What should done? So what we have done? We have adjusted instrument on 0. Is it standard? It is standard. Now standard solution. Now I am putting standard in this kind of solution. You can see again. You can see the reading here. As I have mentioned, there are 2 things. What happens? One is the percent transmission and other is the absorbance. So try to get the reading on absorbance. I have changed the mode absorbance. You can see 0.128. There are certain formula. Ma'am, can you show me the formula of the urea, madam? Urea formula. So there are certain formula for all kinds of biochemical or physiological materials. You can see there are certain charts are available, standard charts are available. इसकी reading क्या है मैडम? Okay. Test divided by standard into 40. 40 is the dilution. Different company provide different diluting solution. So this is the reading of the standard. Now can you give me the test reading? Test. See here, how to procure reading of test. Take this one and give it to me. This is the one more thing. Now the reading of standard. You can have this one. You can have. Please keep it here. अब आप देखिए, जब अपन बात करते हैं absorbance की, again you can note down the reading. I think you all are satisfied with all these things. So what we have done, we have taken the reading of test, reading of standard. So test divided by standard into 40 and you can calculate. You must tell your students, now spectrophotometer, now the collimated techniques, they must be used for teaching practicals. This is one of the example. Now as my colleague Dr. Harbhajan Kaur, she has mentioned, in case of biochemistry, what is done in our laboratory, in Dungar College, we do protein estimation. We have all kinds of kits. You must keep it in mind, always you should get fresh serum solution. Do not use expired kits. Do not use very old the sample. Fresh sample should always be there. Now proteins, now the cholesterol, the glycogen, acid phosphoactivity, alkaline phosphatic activity, SGOT, SGPOT. We have done all here. All the students or my students in our college, they all are well acquainted with all kinds of techniques. You also should be known about all these techniques. This is one of the example of spectrophotometer. Very costly, very important, very sensitive. All my colleagues, they are maintaining all the instruments. Now I come to the, sometimes I got many calls from the different colleges. Sir, what can be done? We don't have any facility in our college. क्या करें MSc बच्चों को, बहुत लंबा सिलेबस है, हम क्या करें बच्चों को नहीं टीचर करवा पाते कई बार. मैंने बीकानेर की जिले के बहुत सारे कॉलेज में ये मैंने मेंशन किया है. दैट इज ऑल्सो ESR. यू सी एरिथ्रोसाइट सेडिमेंटेशन रेट. ये क्यों किया जाता है ESR? आप सभी जानते हैं. फॉर मैनी काइंड ऑफ डिजीजेज, ESR इज वन ऑफ द फैक्टर. अक्सर डॉक्टर कहते हैं ESR करें. How ESR can be done? Again, I would like to mention here, you collect fresh sample of blood, okay? Then ESR diluting solution, sodium salicylate 3.8% plus 1 ml of आपके ये blood sample. Mix blood and sodium salicylate. We mix the blood with the sodium mixture and you put in all kinds of. You can see the two knobs. You can see. Like this. This is like this knob. So we put the blood, including the sodium salicylate plus the blood sample. Then you can see by keeping your limb over here, then like this, and this is the, and in this way, by using this way, we can keep the tube. 4 or 5 tube can be placed in an instrument. What should be done? After half an hour, after 50 minutes, after 1 hour, after 1.5 hours, you have to note down the reading. You have to note down what is the rate of ESR. By noting down readings, we can assume, we can calculate, doctors presume what disease can be diagnosed in a patient. This is the आपके ESR. Now one more point. You all might have seen in different laboratories how to do hemoglobin. हम जाते हैं लेबोरेटरी के अंदर कि हीमोग्लोबिन करवा रहे हैं. आपने सेकेंडरी में हम कहते हैं बच्चों प्रैक्टिकल्स, तो सेकेंडरी क्या करते हैं, अपन सहलीज वो लेते हैं अपन हीमोग्लोमीटर. उसमें क्या करते हैं, 3 ट्यूब डाल दिया आपने. 2 ट्यूब का कलर होता है लाइट येलोइश और सेंटीमीटर ट्यूब में अपन डाल देते हैं N/10 HCl एंड ब्लड डालते रहते हैं. आज भी हालांकि लैबों में ये यूज टेक्निक होती है, बट इन आवर डूंगर कॉलेज फॉर लास्ट सो मेनी ईयर्स, इवन आई हैव गॉट अराउंड 30 years of experience in our college. We are using the hemoglobin meter, digital hemoglobin meter. What is done? You can see this is the hemoglobin meter 181. We have all kinds of hemoglobin meter in our department. This is one more hemoglobin meter. This is latest one, and this is the also. So what is done? You can see this is the Draken solution for the estimation of hemoglobin. What is done? आपको यूज करना होता है ड्रैकन सॉल्यूशन. यू मस्ट कीप इट इन माइंड, समटाइम्स इट मे बी पॉइजनस. While using Depkin solution, you ask your student, then you have to be very much careful. Here I would like to mention few points about the hemoglobinometer. You can see this is the, for example, hemoglobinometer. I am putting here only. Like there are three knobs. Set again, set low, set high, and the measurement. You got all, you remember or forgot? There are three knobs: set low, set high, and set 0. What happens? All instruments, they have been standardized by the providing company. We cannot change the reading. For example, this one instrument, set low, we have to adjust instrument at 4.5. Set high, we have to adjust as 14.2. After setting instrument at 4.5 and 14.2, what is done? In this Depkin solution, always take 4 ml of Depkin solution. You put, by using hemoglobinometer pipette, you have to put some blood, then you can note down the reading. This is also one more equipment which is also we are using in our laboratory, in our department. Again, this is digital hemoglobinometer. Now, what we would like to mention, is it clear for the spectrophotometer? Students, is it clear? No. Suppose sometimes what mistakes are being carried out while taking practical classes. I mentioned you, first of all, again I repeat, do not forget, you must see what is the date of manufacturing date, date of expiry. First thing, all the times students, we have our head of the department, Dr. Meera ma'am, we have made it mandatory in a department. All students, they should wear apron. They should wear apron. Apron is must in department. And they all perform all kinds of biochemistry and all kinds of physiological experiments. This is the one of the reasons. Now, when you teach MSc cell biology to other PhD scholars, many students are doing PhD in our department on biochemistry on different tissues of mice. There are certain other methods also. Suppose when you talk about the protein, what about the glycogen, Lowry method, Lowry et al., Montgomery, Burton-Munro, Fleck, CROT, they all are experiments. DNA, RNA, protein, cholesterol, they all can also be done in living tissues. That is a different thing. The different branch of research, different branch of experiments in biochemistry. Today, we have mentioned only and only particularly spectrophotometer technique. You would like to ask something? मैम आप कुछ बताएं, फैकल्टी मेंबर्स को बताएं, आप भी बताएं।
सर आप बता रहे हैं,
है ना, आप बताएं। So sometimes always made it clear. I think you all must be satisfied. How did we perform? How we are performing in Dungar College Bikaner, and what can be done in your own college, in your own department? Ki how to manage the various kinds of biochemical exercise. Physiology, two more things I would like to mention. Very easily, very cheap in your department. What can you do? CT at the clotting time. You can also use, you don't need any instrument for CT clotting time. You can use one more exercise, that is BT, beat the building time. Just pick the finger and you can take the filter paper. For example, this is the filter paper. Blood is coming out, one drop. Note on the time on your mobile. Suppose when blood seizes out, blood is not coming out after 1 minute, it means your building time is 1 minute. Build time is 1 minute. On the other way, you can say one more exercise which we are doing in our department, that is CT, clotting time. Same thing, what we do, pick your finger, take the capillary and let the blood come out in the capillary. Then break the capillary from the tips. When only fibrils are coming out, only fibers are coming out, that time is also the clotting time. So overall, today's in my talk, just I have mentioned what facilities are here. Particularly, I have discussed today only biochemistry and physiology. My other colleagues, they will be telling you about the genetics, about the embryology, about the entomology, about the fish biology. Thank you very much.